Good afternoon all. My name is Subhashini and my teammates are Varshini, Arshita and Kavya. Batch code is 22. Our project title is Smart Transport System under the guidance of Professor Nanda Kumar. Let me give a brief introduction about our project. Transportation is a major pain area for cities today. With the lack of appropriate information system in the public transport system, passengers are facing huge problems in the crowded cities. Passengers are forced to wait for long time since they don't know the information of an upcoming bus reaching to terminus. With the introduction of technology into the public transport system, a passenger can travel with an easy in the bus. Therefore, our system provides the real-time tracking of bus and seating availability to passengers and also delay notifications sent to passengers and bus authorities if any delay occur. This will lead to safe and comfortable journey, indeed reduces the overcrowding. Next we'll continue by Varshini.
Design details. In this, we'll first look into system architecture. Here we use GPS for tracking the bus location, delay detection switch is used to notify the passengers if there is any delay in the bus due to traffic, breakdown or accident occurs. Seating sensor, we have chosen to use IR sensors. GPS delay detection switch and seating sensor is connected to microcontroller unit. Through this microcontroller, all the data that is fetched is sent to Wi-Fi and is updated on the Blink server. Passengers who log into third-party Blink application can view the information that is updated in the Blink server. Next, we'll look into flowchart. Here, first we'll initialize Wi-Fi in the bus and is connected to Blink API. If the connection is established successfully, it starts sending smart bus data to Blink server, which has localization of bus, navigation, passenger seating status, and delay notification. If there is no data found, then we can click for new data.
Software requirement specification in that coming to functional requirements, login credentials, valid username and password required for login. Next, every data uploaded to IoT server are sent with unique ID authentication which is assigned to user account during registration. Then internet which is mandatory at both bus and passengers end and GPS need to be activated to localize the user location so that navigation is possible to bus and Arduino IDE which is a code development platform.
Software requirement. In this we are using Arduino IDE and Blink. Arduino IDE is the code development platform and Blink is a third party application. Next we come to hardware requirement. Node MCU, IR sensor module and GPS module. Next will be continued by Arshita.
In the sequence diagram, the passenger can log into these applications where the passenger can view localization, navigation, GMAP, seating status, and delay notification. In this use case diagram, the passenger can log into those applications where the Passenger can be localization is nothing but where the bus is located. Navigation, where the bus is located and the passenger is located. Delay notification, in case of any accident has occurred, so that the driver can authenticate the people. And seating status, the passenger can view updates that can be viewed by the passenger. Public status, we have completed. We understood that the usage of different sensor and components along with their functionality. Work under progress, code development, hardware integration with software, testing, and result analysis. Thank you.